Well, after the success and also all the fun I had making this first little steam engine that was based on Tubalcain design off of his video channel, I've decided to have a go at making a twin cylinder version of the same thing. So we have a couple of cylinders already done. I've made a start on the flywheel. This one's going to be pretty much all brass. It will have a brass motor mount. Flywheel will be in the middle, and the cylinders will be on the side. Yeah, there'll be this one won't actually be made just using hand tools and the drill press, because obviously I have already done some machining on a lathe for that, and I should be doing some more lathe work for the rest of it. But yeah, but fingers crossed we might actually have a working twin cylinder scratch built steam engine. Okay, here's the individual pieces that have been produced so far. A little bit of mahogany iron lying around, which is just made for the base. These are the side pieces, which have been partially drilled. I've still got to drill the steam in and out holes on each side. The cylinders are just bolted on for show at the moment. Base plate, which will obviously sit on there. Crankshaft and cranks have been produced, so the next stage is the pistons and conrods, but I'll put it all together so you can see what it looks like so far. Well, it's starting to look a little bit more like an actual steam engine now. The cranks have been made, side pieces have been shaped and drilled. They're not actually fixed to the base yet. I've still got to do that. But you get the idea. Still going to make the pistons, conrods, connecting pieces for the ends of the conrods, and also we need to produce a steam union, because obviously there will be a single inlet here for the steam, which goes to both pistons, so that's got to be produced. But yeah, it's coming along slowly but surely. But there's quite a bit of work involved in this, a lot more than there was in the original one. But hopefully we will have a working steam engine at some point. A little bit further along, conrods and pistons are all made now. It still isn't together yet. I haven't drilled the holes yet for the steam inlet and exhaust, and I've still got to fit the side pieces to the base plate. They're just sat on there at the moment. The conrod ends still need fattening a bit. They're a bit too wide. They need to be machined down. But yeah, it's coming along. Hopefully today we'll see the side pieces finished off properly, with the appropriate holes drilled, and I can start work on fixing the side plate pieces to the base and making the steam union for the steam inlet. But yeah, it's coming along. Right, here it is, finished. The tubes are now in place, which are the steam inlet and exhausts, and yeah, it's pretty much done. All we've got to do now is see whether it'll actually run. So, well, my fingers crossed. We've got no binding on here at all. It all moves as it should do. So, hopefully, that should be a working steam engine. Okay, here we go. Let's see if it runs. Yay! Excellent! and very slowly too. Superb. This is an old Mammoth car boiler. But yeah, it actually works. Awesome. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod and move it around so you can actually see it from different positions. And so silent. I'm really pleased. That is, when an engine runs on steam and it runs quiet like that, it's a good indication that the tolerances are all good and there's nothing knocking or slack in it. So, steam test successful, which is excellent. I'm really pleased about this. This is pretty much the first engine that I've made completely from scratch. I mean, the only things on here which I haven't actually made are the two small springs, the 6BA screws, and the two 4BA screws and nuts that hold it to the base. Everything else I've actually made. So I'm really pleased about that. If you're interested in having a go at building one of these yourself, I thoroughly recommend you check out Tubalcain's video YouTube channel, which is Mr. Pete 222, and look out for the 3 videos, which it's a 3-part series, and they are entitled Make a Boy's Model Steam Engine, and that's what I started with, and that's a great way to start out on something like this. But yeah, so the question is, what next? Anyway, thanks for watching.